Welcome. We are here to assist with your buying and selling needs. If you have questions or would like to schedule a personal tour, please give us a call today at 706-799-0873. This is the Hayden floor plan with 5 bedrooms and 3 full baths featuring an open floor plan and luxury vinyl plank throughout the main living areas. The kitchen features granite countertops and a gas range. There is a guest bedroom and full bath downstairs. The owner's suite and 3 additional bedrooms plus a loft and laundry room are upstairs. The owner's bath has double sinks, separate shower and tub, toilet closet and a huge linen closet. There is a sprinkler system. The home is energy efficient. Highland Hills is an incredible swim community with private neighborhood pool, cabana, streetlights and sidwalks. Close proximity to I-20. The home is occupied, but in excellent condition like new and is move-in ready. I'm Patti Cornette with Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Beazley, Realtors, and I'm here to help. My number is 706-799-8073.